What's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to copy audio files from your DJI mic. So as you can see right here, I have DJI mic. This is a Mini 2, right? And I have some files on it. So I'm gonna show you how we can get these files. So this requires you to have a USB-C or cable, right? So you can go ahead and get it. I have one right here connected to my PC, as you can see, and I'm gonna just plug this into the mic. Once you plug it into the mic, you will hear the sound, right? And this basically going to ensure that it pops up on your desktop. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just move this camera right here so that you can see that it's now on my computer. So here you can see that it pops up on my PC and there's a folder. I'm going to open a folder and here you can see the files. And all you have to do is just copy the file. Now, this is a file. I'm going to take this file and I'm going to drag it onto my desktop. I'm going to just put it over here because it's for this next video. So I'm going to drag it onto my desktop and you will see right away that it starts to load. And that's all that you have to do. So you can see that it's loading to my PC. And I'm going to show you one more thing. Once this done load to your PC, you can test the file, see if it's working. It should be working. And if you want to delete files, now you can delete them simply. So I'm going to just select these two files here and I'm going to press delete on my keyboard. You can see that it pops up and I'm going to just click delete or this yes. And that's it. So if you're using your DJI mic for recording, guys, you can easily go ahead and turn on the mic. Let me just unplug it right here. You can just use this mic directly to record, and all you have to do is just turn on the mic by pressing and holding the power button right here, and then you would just press this button on the other side. Once you press this, I'm going to press it now. It's in recording state, so I'm going to say something. 1 2 3 4 5, right? So it's recording. Once I'm done, I press it again, it stop records, and of course I can always turn off the mic once I'm finished as well. But you would then connect the mic to your PC, and just like I showed you, it pops up, you copy the audio files and you can use them for whatever purpose. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.